how to pay with PayPal without a credit card. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide on that. So let's just dive right into our account. So first of all, we log in into our PayPal account, and once we are logged in, this is the particular interface we should be finding. So go to the wallet section first. And when we head over to wallet here, we'll be finding a section for linking a bank account where we can verify the bank or use the bank directly to pay. But since we do not want to use the card, what we can do is we can use the next option instead, which is called send and request right beside the wallet. So go ahead and click on it. And there you will be finding the option to usually go ahead and pay without credit card in PayPal. And if you want to do so, the thing is you need to go over and customers can only add funds from their bank account to their PayPal account when they have a negative balance. So according to the new update of PayPal, we cannot do if we have PayPal balance. We need to have a negative balance and we need to complete up the email and phone verification and also avoid VPN during payments and keep the balance funded before the checkout and just go over and do so. And the thing is, debit cards work like bank accounts. You can link it on the wallet and select debit card during the payment. So you can just go over and do so, and you can pay with PayPal without credit card. And that's it. So I hope this information was helpful to you. And sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.